Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be talking all about my hooded dryer. So I will be showing you all how to use the hooded dryer, and I also will just be sharing my thoughts about using this hooded dryer over the past couple of months. But before we jump into the video, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what your favorite method is to dry your hair. So let me know if you use a diffuser, if you air dry, or if you sit under a hooded dryer. I'm very interested to see how everyone dries their hair. I typically sit under my hooded dryer. I've been using this since I've got it. I haven't diffused my hair in months, honestly, and I don't have time for that. But yeah, I just wanted to see how you all dry your hair. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. So you don't want to miss whenever I post a new video. And if the post notification bell is not on, please be sure to also turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. Without any further ado, we're just gonna hop right into the video. Okay y'all, so this is my hooded dryer. My hair is wet, so I am going to be sitting under this hooded dryer today. So real quickly, this hooded dryer has 3 different functions up here.
Yes queen, yes queen, yes queen! Yeah!
So the first function is the on and off function. It is currently off, but I'm going to turn it on. And then the next function is the temperature. So the lowest temperature that it has is 40 degrees, and I never dry on 40 degrees. I like to make sure that my hair is nice and hot. So I typically leave it at 75, and it's actually at 75 right now, so I leave it at 75. And then this little button right here is the timing button. So the lowest amount of time that you can do is 10 minutes and the highest is 60 minutes. So I typically like to do my hair in 50 minutes. I like to set it at 50. So actually what I'm going to do is set it at 50 right now. And as you can hear, it does have a ticking noise. So this actually goes off once the 50 minutes are up. So what I'm going to actually do right now is sit under this hooded dryer just to show y'all how it works and whatnot. So all you have to do is lift up the dryer and then put your head underneath like this. And then all you have to do is literally sit under it for the time. So I set mine for 50 minutes. So after 50 minutes, I will be back to show you all what my hair is looking like. And then I will talk about the pros and the cons of using this hooded dryer. So I will see you all in 50 minutes. Let's get it. Okay, I am back and I wanted to show y'all what is going on with my hair. So typically when I sit under this hooded dryer, the left side of my hair, as you can see, always ends up very wonky, and it's because the fan is literally right behind the left side of the hooded dryer, and because it's right behind because it's like right behind there, it ends up causing my hair to like lift up in like weird directions. So this side is fine, as you can see, it's nice and down, nice and dry, and then this side is like all over the place, which is pretty annoying. So usually what I end up doing is kind of like trying to figure out how to fix the hair back into place. So sometimes I just pat it down and it works. Sometimes I gotta manipulate it, play with it a little bit, but my hair is dry. I think the roots, yeah, the roots are dry. Everything is pretty dry. Everything is pretty dry, as you can see, but that was like my main concern about the hooded dryer, the fact that whenever I do wash and goes, it always lifts up the left side of my hair, which is pretty annoying. I'll definitely be looking for another hooded dryer because sometimes it's kind of annoying dealing with that, especially like if I'm on the go and I want to dry my hair quickly and then I have to deal with like fixing the whole left side of my hair. But I definitely do recommend this for other styles. So if you're doing twist outs or if you're doing braid outs, this problem does not happen to your hair because the twist and the braid are so heavy. They end up just laying flat and it doesn't manipulate or like lift the braid or twist up when you're doing those styles. So I definitely recommend this hooded dryer for styles like that, as well as deep conditioning. I love this hooded dryer for deep conditioning. The only issue that I have is just the fact that it lifts this side of my hair when I do wash and goes. So my final conclusion on this hooded dryer is that if you're looking for something that is very affordable, very cheap, something that you can invest your money in, I definitely would recommend this hooded dryer. Especially if you only do twist styles or braid styles, I definitely would recommend this hooded dryer. But if you're looking for something that doesn't really have any issues or cause any problems with your hair, I don't recommend this hooded dryer. For me, it's perfect for now. I definitely will be looking for a new hooded dryer in the future. I'm kind of just testing the waters and still pushing through with this. I still use it. It's still my baby. I invested my money into this and it's still pretty dope. But yeah, that's honestly all I had to really say. I just wanted to come on here and finally just give you all what you all have been asking for since I posted me unboxing and setting up this hooded dryer. Yeah, I've been using this hooded dryer for a couple of months now, and I mean, it does what it gotta do. The only thing is, like I mentioned, is that it be lifting this side of my hair up. But if you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. and now I post videos every Saturday at 3 p.m. as well. So be sure that you are subscribed to my channel, as well as turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And if you can't get enough of me, I do have an Instagram. My name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. Thank you for watching this video. I love you, MSquad. Until next time, peace and love always. Bye, y'all. Bloopies. And if you're not subscribed, but as you can see, my hair is the mouth is dry.
And
I still haven't got this water.
Is you okay? Is you good? Because I want to know.